I'd try that at home.
Yeah, how's that work?
Tell me about your day, hon. Oh, they're getting ready to light them up. I'll go over here and put my fingers in my ears.
Oh.
No, Johnny, come here. Johnny, get over here. Plug your ears. Plug
You
your
ready
ears.
for this?
Where are you shooting your gun, Heather?
Barrel's hollow.
It's not that loud, Dawson.
It sounded like it was.
Yeah. Maybe you'll fill it. Like take down from the garage. You did. That was a big one. It's not that loud. Nice.
Good, Alex. Where'd my barrel go? Got it. Yep. Must have been this guy. Yeah, it was Josh. I thought he had gone past.
Saw a video where they loaded the washers in a big old pit. And they were probably 150 yards away.
What do you need?
Far enough.
Nothing. I was going to go get mine out.
This stuff came flying at him. It's crazy.
Where'd my first barrel go? It disappeared. I got to take that back on the bottom.
I'm not surprised. That was a good one.
He's like, I thought that was mine. It was straight in front of me.
Redo that one.
Yeah, there's another three of them. Three other guys. Dawson.
That's your gun sight is good.
Oh, there's 2 more barrels.
It's not just a barrel.
Well,
you have to hit the specific spot of barrel.
the first
little
two were hit by the
packet
same
on
guy.
They were.
Josh hit those first two.
That's good.
Yeah, you can tell because he's got that suppressor, so it's way quieter than everybody else. And that one that was halfway down. Caleb. You're up. Shoot for the one that's moving.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of them. Like that one hit the road way back behind. Yeah. I just look for the dust. Sight is not. Got a little bit off since last time I shot.
Now we're gonna be here for a while.
No, I think
That's every bit of 300 yards. Or maybe 320.
that thing was. I thought that was full of water when we were down there shooting.
I thought I heard it was full of water.
Oh, is it?
I think that one is.
So is it water with
Let's start turning our attack on the outside.
Caleb? He was winding the whole time.